Have you ever wondered when I advertise about a paper share, what exactly does that mean? Today, I'm going to show you. Future Linda popping in here. Just wanted to let you know that first you're going to see me actually pack a 12 by 12 package and a 6 by 6 package to better understand what goes into each size of a paper share. And then I will show you the completed 12 by 12 and 6 by 6. And now back to the video. Every time a new catalog comes out, I offer a paper share. And basically that means that I'm going to send you a sample of all the papers that are brand new in the catalog. Some come back, some don't, but anything that's new, that's what I include in the paper share. As I'm filming this, the 2022-2023 annual catalog just came out, and we're gonna go through my 12-inch paper share as well as the 6-inch paper share just to show you the difference. Couple notes, there are timestamps in the description, so if you need to jump from one thing to another, feel free. If you're interested in hanging out with me a little more casually, please follow me on Instagram at inkstampinScrap. And if you enjoy this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up as well as click that subscribe button down in the lower corner so that you know every time I post a video. All right, let's get going. So if you order a 12-inch share, everything that's available in 12-inch will come to you that way. And everything that started out in the catalog as 6-inch will come that way. So in this annual catalog paper share, all the color collections always are in 6 by 6. And in this particular paper share, there's also glimmer paper, a package called Tea Boutique, Butterfly Kisses, and Lovely Layers Vellum that fits in those smaller bags. Then the rest of the papers start out as 12 by 12s, and that's how I package them. So you can see that sometimes you get the backing from a Stampin' Up package. Sometimes you'll get one that doesn't match the front label, but you do have, when you order a 12-inch share, you do get every single package has a piece of tag board in the back just to keep it all firm and make sure that everything gets to you in one piece. So these are all the new papers in this annual catalog, and each one of these contains half a package of the paper that you would have gotten if you ordered the item for yourself. The reason that it's half is it's a share of the paper, but it does give you a 12 by 12 sheet of every single pattern that is in the new catalog. If you were to buy all of these packages on your own, you would pay more than double if you add in all the shipping and everything. The other thing that I try to do for everybody in every share is to add a label to each package that tells you the name of the item, the cost, the item number, and all the Stampin' Up colors that are in that particular pattern of paper. Now let's take a look at the 6-inch paper share for this annual catalog. Again, the Lovely Layers Vellum, Butterfly Kisses, Tea Boutique, the glimmer paper, and all 6 of the color collections already were cut by Stampin' Up at 6 inches, so we're keeping them that way. The rest of these you just saw in the 12-inch size, but now they're packaged in a 6-inch package. So you get a quarter of a full package when you order the 6-inch. But once again, you get a label on each clear envelope that gives you the name of the paper, the price, the item number, and all the Stampin' Up! Colors that are shown inside so you can match to your cardstocks, inks, and markers. So I hope that helped you understand what a paper share is. As I said, I release them with every new catalog, so you can look forward to the next one coming out with the holiday catalog. And I hope you take advantage of the offer and enjoy one of my paper shares. So thank you so much for watching. Please give me a thumbs up if you like this video, and make sure that you're subscribed to my channel. Click that notification bell so you know the next time I post a video. And until then, see you later. Bye.